This was a big year for Inside the Brands. In addition to 2019 being our 5th year of producing original content for repair technicians and other automotive professionals, we also saw and surpassed the 100 episode mark.
Thanks for watching.
This season, we debut 20 all-new videos, many featuring helpful installation or diagnostic tips. We explore the meaning of the word genuine as it applies to the motor oil market, and whether you can tell if an oil that's labeled synthetic is actually synthetic. We also introduced a few new products from the CRP family of brands, like the new Penison EHF hydraulic fluid and Ryan valve covers for selected BMW vehicles. This season, friend of the show Charles the Humble Mechanic Sanville starred in not one, not two, but 3 special edition videos filmed on location at the AAPEX trade show in Las Vegas. All in all, we're up to 124 videos and over 178,000 views for Inside the Brands. And the CRP Automotive channel has more than 300,000 views, representing hours and hours of videos watched by people like you. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you continue to watch and learn from Inside the Brands when it returns for a new season. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so that you're among the first to know when a new video is posted.